Hello and welcome. You are back to the relentless reportage of the Sushant investigation on Times Now. Now, sources are telling Times Now that the Dean of Cooper Hospital has confirmed the Times Now news break, which was Ria's visit to the Cooper Hospital morgue was unauthorized. It was illegal. The Dean has quoted the rule book and said that there was no circumvention of the same by the hospital staff. So the question then remains, who else was behind this? Who facilitated Ria's illegal entry into the mortuary on June 15th? Was it the Mumbai police? Several people have told Times Now that. Tamal Saha joining us. Tamal, this is big. Cooper Hospital ruling out anything, which leaves us with a question. Was the Mumbai police involved in all of this?
Well, that's right. If you can recall all those visuals, you would remember how Ria Chakraborty had gone inside the mortuary. She had entered into the mortuary, and you also know she had been there along with her other associates, some family members, and just not for 1 minute or 2 minutes, for good 30 to 40 minutes they were there inside. Now, inside the mortuary, the access given to her had been questioned by many people. Now, after pressure mounting on Cooper Hospital to come out clean as who really gave the permission, we are learning from sources that the Dean has gone by the rule book, and the Dean is suggesting to the State Human Rights Commission that the Cooper Hospital officials officially did not allow Ria Chakraborty, did not give her any permission to go inside the mortuary. Now, that's where the big question arises as who allowed Ria Chakraborty to go inside. Now, you all know that Ria Chakraborty to a great extent enjoys celebrity status, and especially because it's a high-profile case. Sushant Singh Rajput's body being kept at the Cooper Hospital mortuary itself was quite, itself had
Well, we tried speaking to the Cooper Hospital Dean, but we are being told that he's left the hospital right now. Siddhant joining us also. Siddhant, Times Now news break now confirmed. Cooper Hospital staff did not help Ria get access to the mortuary. Was it the Mumbai police? That's the big question.
That's absolutely right, Pranesh. It was our news break when we exposed for the first time that how Ria Chakraborty along with her associates went inside the mortuary, one of the most sensitive areas of the hospital, that too during the COVID times, and she remained there for good few minutes. She saw Sushant's mortal remains and then came out. Now all those videos and pictures we had put out for our viewers, now you see right after that Human Rights Commission came into this this entire case, and today the doctors of the Cooper Hospital were summoned by the Human Rights Commission, and they had appeared before the commission. Now they have told commission that it was not them, no permissions were given by the doctors. They don't know who gave the permission, how Ria Chakraborty could walk in to such a sensitive place. Now you see, Pranesh, the interesting angle here is that if the doctors and the administration at the Cooper Hospital did not give permission to Ria Chakraborty, then who gave? This is a question we are asking. Now this fellow Sujit, who claims to be friends with Chakraborty, is claiming that it was him who arranged the entire visit of Ria Chakraborty inside the mortuary, but no probe has been yet ordered in this entire...
Ria's visit to the mortuary was arranged. Who's behind this arrangement, this illegal, unauthorized arrangement? That is the big question. This is big news, and let's for a moment focus on these pictures. Ria Chakraborty for the last 4 days has been drilled by the CBI. Today is day 4 of the interrogation, and Tamal and Siddhant, we are being told that the reason that Ria's interrogation is taking so long because there are inconsistencies that have come to the fore, and the CBI suspects that Ria is being evasive, that she is not telling them the truth. Tamal.
Well, that's right. You know, we have to understand till yesterday, Ria Chakraborty has been questioned for over 25 hours, precisely 25 and a half hours. Today is the 4th day that Ria Chakraborty has been called in. She went inside at 10:51, and it's been over 3 hours, in fact close to 4 hours that Ria Chakraborty is inside. And interesting thing is, Pranesh, it's not those usual people that you have seen in the past 10 days. who were there inside the house of Sushant Singh Rajput on June 14th, including Neeraj, Dipesh, Siddharth Mithani, Keshav and Rajat Mewati. Apart from all these people, we also know that Shruti Modi has been called. Now Shruti Modi is inside. We also saw just a short while back, Jaya Saha was called in. She had left after having stayed
Individuals and several angles now under the investigation. The radar of the investigation agencies